Okay, good day everybody. Hi, this is Juliet with Colorful Threads. And does your keypad do this? So what I'm going to do is show you a quick video on how to replace the back cover of your keypad so that it doesn't need to be taped on your machine. Okay, so here we go. Alright, so you're going to go to the Shop Melco website and you're going to type in part number 34037, and that's going to give you the back of the housing. Today's price is $31.86 for this part, so get that ordered and get that in. Next thing you're going to do is I like to use a driver, and this is a 10 millimeter that you're going to use. Driver. You're going to go to your keypad, and on the side of your keypad is this screw here. Alright, let's see if I can do that and hold the camera at the same time. Oh, you can take this off and keep this. Okay, let me get it started. Okay, I got it started. So now you're going to take this screw completely off of your machine and out. When you take your keypad off, first thing I'm going to do is, because my machine right now is on, you can turn it off. We'll turn this one off because it doesn't need to be on. Keypad's going to move. We're going to disconnect our Ethernet cable from the back. Okay. Now when it comes out of here, there's going to be some washers and things that come with it, so I'm going to hold those with my thumb. Perfect. Alright, and it looks like one's left in there, so I'm going to have to dig that out. Okay, I got it loose, so now it's just going to fall out. Okay, it's supposed to fall. There we go. Alright, so there's no more washers. There's one washer left on here. Leave that on there. And there is a flat side to, I don't know why there's grease here, but there's a flat side to this piece, and that's going to come into play later when we deal with this washer that was stuck that has a flat side. Alright, let me get the other piece. Oh, I don't even need the other piece. You're going to flip it over. I use this little thin screwdriver. I don't even know what size it is. There's no size or anything. Well, maybe there is. What does it say? It's a number 30, but it's a very small tip, Phillips head, and it's going to fit these screws. So we got three, one here, one down inside here, and one down inside here. So we're going to take all three of those out, and I'm going to do this with two hands. Okay, I got all those screws loose, so they should all fall out. When I tip it over, 1, 2, 3, yep, there they are. This black cover is going to come right off. All of your electronics and everything is in the front panel, so you don't have to do anything with any of that. All you're going to do is grab a new panel. I have a new panel here, and this one is not too bad, but it is cracked and broken here. It's getting there, so this one's getting replaced as well. Get my new panel, and I'm going to put that back together. I'm going to put those three little screws in and tighten those down, and then I'll be back. Okay, got my new pad together. These three screws are now tight. So now we're going to go back to this opening on the side and that D-shaped ring. Let's see if I can do this. It's going to go inside here, and I'm going to put this on. I need some kind of like mount for my chest or something for my phone. It's alright. Alright, let's put this cover on. Put this keypad on so it's out of my hands. Can lay down. And let me find the D-ring. I found it. It was on the floor. Okay. So when you put this back on, there's no direction to it, so it can go in either way, but you just want to make sure when it goes in that flat side goes up. So what I like to do to make sure it goes into place is I just take my 10mm and I push it till it locks in. See, that's all locked in there. Now, the very important thing about your next piece is this guy. There's two little washers, and if you look at them, they actually have a dip to them. So they're concave in the middle. And we want the concave to go in, because the outside edge is going to push against that washer. Get those in. I'm going to take my screw, and you know the deal. We're going to put our screw on. We're going to tighten this down. Sort of. I don't kind of tighten it all the way until I get clipped back in. Kind of in position. Maybe tighten it a little bit more. So it starts to grip. Yep, now I can move it in. It kind of holds. Get it in a position that you like, and then we'll just give it a snug. And done. New keypad. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up if you found this helpful. Go and replace your keypad back. Don't tape it. And have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. Bye.